Mr. Rajnath Singh and Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, both senior ministers of this government, they came to our office seeking our support in the presidential election. So we told them that if they have any proposal of a candidate, a support can come only to a candidate. This is not an election party-wise. I mean, we are talking of a candidate. So they said, do you have any suggestions? I said, yes, there are many names that are floating around. But we'd like to know what is the government's own suggestion. We said very clearly that as far as the CPM is concerned, we think in the present context, a person who occupies the office of the President of India must be a person of impeccable secular credentials and must be a person who can safeguard and uphold the constitutional values of the Indian Republic. So we want a person of that nature. So if you have any such suggestions, we ask the government to tell us. They said that they have not yet zeroed in on anybody. They will take some time to do that. We said if there is anything tangible and concrete, then you tell us, then we will give our reaction. In the meanwhile, since they are conducting this, I think more like a public relations exercise of going to all the political parties. Since the government is doing it, so we welcome them in our office. Very good. When they came here, they told us they want our support. We said, fine. You tell us the basis for the support to the candidate. But that they did not convey. Now the general opinion that is going around is since they have the mandate, so therefore opposition should support their candidate. Our point is very simple. If you're going by the mandate, the 2014 general elections, the BJP polled 31%, the entire NDA polled 39% of the people who voted. Including the NDA, if you take it, there are 61% of the Indian people who voted for the opposition. So a candidate of the opposition is the one who has the mandate. Candidate of the opposition is the one who has the larger mandate. So, the government should also consider that aspect. So if we make a proposal, they should also be open to considering supporting. So the matter ended there. So they said they'll get back to us after in case they come to some decision on a candidate.
What was particular? Right from 2002, you put up Captain Lakshmi Sehgal late now. And is that trajectory still on the cards?
Let me put the record straight. Since independence, since the process of elections began in our country, except for one occasion, and that was immediately after the emergency, when the emergency was defeated, when Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was elected unopposed to the President of India. Except for that occasion, on every other presidential election, there has been a contest. So this is a political contest. Last time, against Pranab Mukherjee, the BJP fielded Mr. Sangma. Against Pratibha Patil, the BJP fielded Mr. Bairon Singh Shekhawat. So they have been fielding as a political. So that has been the tradition in India. That has been the pattern.
So there is no question of supporting the government's nominee.
Let's see whom they will suggest. What is their name?
Did they discuss Sushma Swaraj, Sumitra Mahajan?
No name was taken by them.
आप लोगों ने पूछा नहीं था कि नाम बताइए किसके लिए सपोर्ट चाहते हैं?
यार ये कोई क्लासरूम है क्या? टीचर स्टूडेंट के सवाल के हम पूछे वो जवाब दें? वो आए, हमने कहा कोई आपसे पूछा जरूर, आपने कहा कोई है आपके पास जो प्रपोजल, तो कहा कोई अभी तक किसी नाम पे हम जो है तय नहीं किए। तो अगर खुद नाम नहीं तय किए हैं तो हम किससे सपोर्ट दें?
What about the opposition front? Which are the names that you are considering right now?
That we'll tell you. Opposition has met yesterday. We have met. Opposition parties have met yesterday. We'll meet again now. Let this round that the government is conducting with the opposition parties be over. So soon after that, the opposition parties will meet again, and then we'll take a call.
What do you think of this exercise of the government, sir, without any names? They are coming to discuss. You are calling it a PR exercise. They are trying to build a consensus. Do you see, without any name, do you see this as an attempt of cooperation or what?
Consensus over what? You see, President of India is an individual. You build a consensus over a candidate for the President of India. On the President of India's office, there is already a consensus. That's why we all take our oath on the Constitution and do it as the Constitution says. The head of our government is the President of India. So on President of India, there is no need of a consensus. Who will be that President? Consensus has to be on that. That proposal is not there.
So what is the legal support East region? Do you think he has
Huh?
So was it a posturing, sir?
I'm sorry?
Yes,
Yeah, let us not get into speculations. I mean, and you see, taking names also is not a very healthy process. We have seen some names that have come. What's happened to them? So let us not go into that exercise.
सर आपने कोई नाम मीटिंग या सेम प्रपोजल आपने रखा कि हमारे कैंडिडेट को आप सपोर्ट कर दीजिए जैसे कि अब्दुल कलाम के समय में हुआ था।
हमने कहा ना, अगर मैंडेट की बात किया हो आप, तो पिछले चुनाव में 31% वोट मिला बीजेपी को। एनडीए के सब सहयोगी पार्टियों को मिलाकर 39% वोट मिला उनको। सो सब एनडीए को भी अलग करो तो 61% वोट विपक्ष को मिला। तो विपक्ष का जो प्रपोजल होगा कैंडिडेट, वही तो है देश की मैंडेट।